Hey you guys, it's your girl Antoinette Marie. I'm here with a skincare video. I look crazy today. But anyways, per usual, I am barefaced because I tell no lies and I speak no tales. So I'm here to give you guys truth, honest truth about a really, really great Neutrogena product. Stay tuned and keep on watching it. This is the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair with vitamin C. Oh yeah. This product has 20% vitamin C. It is a serum. Each capsule contains the serum inside. You open each cap it's very soft. You open it up, you twist it off, and then you pour it into your hand. So really guys, my biggest goal for this video was really to show you guys, no, my skin is not perfect. However, the product is doing just what it said it's going to do. It's going to deliver results within 1 week. You should see brighter skin, and my dark marks, as you can see from the inserted picture, has faded tremendously, and I'm super excited to continue use. I will definitely give you guys a more clearer update in the next few weeks, just so that you guys are updated on it. But I will say within a week, yeah. Oh yeah, and I will definitely continue to use it. I wanted to also emphasize that I haven't had any burning sensation. I haven't had anything crazy happen. I do include this in my skincare routine. I use it right after my cleansing in my toner use. I put that right on after my toner. I put my moisturizer on, and then I seal it some nights with my turmeric misting spray, which is a calming spray. I'm very pleased. I will definitely again keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. You know, guys, I bring you nothing but the truth. I don't give you guys garbage, and that's my claim, and I promise to always continue to make that claim. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of products that I have tried for other companies, I may have, you know, let my Instagram users know and my stories know that I'm using these products. However, they never make it to YouTube. So I just wanted to never just bring you guys trash. I would never do that. I love y'all too much. I bring you guys nothing but truth. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to this channel. I love you.